Okay, hello YouTubers, it's WaluigiMan8689, and this is a video of my bedroom ceiling fan. It is a Hunter low profile. 4 blades, 42 inches, has 2 identical pole chains, 4 bulb fixture. It's in white. It's a nice fan. There's the reversing switch. I have these frosted light shades on them. One is missing a bulb because when we put this light kit on here, we only had 3 bulbs. And I'll give you a top shot of it. Here it is. And unlike most Hunter low profiles that I've seen, this one has non-reversible blades. It's just more white. Most of the ones I have seen have bleached oak on the other side, and it's pretty dirty. There's the Hunter logo right there. So, guess we'll turn it on. There's a light. Yeah, that one doesn't have one in it, like I said before. And then here's low. And that pole chain piece right there is not the original. That one I got at Lowe's. The original one, the piece that you screw on there, it broke, so I got a new one. And this one doesn't match the speeds as well, so that might be why you may notice that these aren't exactly like Hunter low profile speeds. Medium. Has very faint bearing noise. I don't know if the camera can hear it, but I can hear it. And then high. There it goes. It has excellent airflow on all speeds. It's a very nice ceiling fan. Lights. Yeah, it does vibrate a little bit, but that's okay. And then we'll turn it back off. And that's pretty much it. That is the 42-inch Hunter low profile on my bedroom. I hope you enjoyed the video, and more videos to come. Bye.